Social Science, 10th Standard, Part Geography, Chapter 10. India, Geographical Position and Physical Features. Exercises, question, answers, additional multiple choice question and answers. Important points, key concepts. First, unity in diversity. India has exhibited unity in diversity since ancient times. It has varied physical features, climate, vegetation, and people, often called a subcontinent due to this diversity. India's location and names. Located in Southeast Asia, entirely in northern hemisphere, known as India, Hindustan, Bharat, after king of Bharata. Name India is derived from the Indus River, triangular peninsula ending in the Indian Ocean. Size and population. Area 32.87 lakh square kilometers, 7th largest in the world, 2.4% of the world's land area, 28 states and 8 union territories. Population as per 2011 census 121 crores, 17.5% of the world and second after China. States with 2 capitals, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. Uttarakhand, Bahrain summer, Dehradun in winter. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla and Dharamshala. Geographical coordinates. Latitude 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Longitude 87 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Length north to south 3214 kilometers. East to west 2933 kilometers. Indira Point in Greater Nicobar, southernmost tip 6 degree 45 minutes north. Indira Kaul, northernmost point, Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minutes north, passes through central India. Standard time 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude, Prayagraj. Borders and neighbors. Land frontier 15,200 kilometers. Coastal line 6,100 kilometers mainland. 7,516.6 kilometers including islands. Neighbors. Land borders Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Maritime neighbors Sri Lanka and Maldives. Boundary lines India, Pakistan, Radcliffe Line, India and China, McMahon Line and India and Afghanistan, Durando Line. Northern mountains, Himalayas. Begins at Pamir Knot, ends in Arunachal Pradesh, 2,500 kilometers. 3 ranges, Shivalik foothills, recent lower height 600 to 1,500 meters. Himachal, middle Himalayas 3,500 to 4,500 meters, many hill stations. Greater Himalayas known as the Himadri, highest peak 6,000 to 800 meters, snow covered. Important peaks, Mount Everest 8848 meters, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, K2, Godwin Austen 8,611 meters. Passes Zozila, Bruzilla, Baralacha. Trans Himalayas, Karakoram and Kailash ranges. Importance, climate barrier, river resource, tourism and minerals. Northern Great Plains formed by Satluj, Ganga, Brahmaputra rivers. Breadth 2,400 kilometers, width 70 to 500 kilometers. Fertile alluvial soil, Bhabar, Bhangar, Khaddar soil types based on deposition spread. Peninsular plateau. Ancient land masses, Gondwana, area 16 lakh square kilometers, bounded by Aravalli north, Indian Ocean south, western and eastern Ghats. Divisions: Central Plateau, Vindhya Satpura, Aravalli, Chota Nagpur, rivers Narmada, Tapti, Damodar. Deccan Plateau, bounded by Ghats, Annamudai, 2,665 meters, highest peak in southwest India. Rich in minerals, waterfalls, hydroelectric potentials. Coastal plains, length 6,100 kilometers, mainland. West coast, Kutch to Kanyakumari, includes Konkan, Canara, Malabar coasts. East coast, Kanyakumari to Gangetic Delta, wider and flatter. Utkal and Coromandel coasts. Important lakes, lagoons, Chilka, Odisha, Pulikat in Andhra Pradesh. Islands. Total 247 islands, 204 in Bay of Bengal and 43 in Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar, volcanic, and Lakshadweep, coral. Indira Point, southernmost tip of India. Greater Nicobar. The Greater Himalayas are covered with snow throughout the year. These ranges are called Himadri. The Western Ghats are the continuous range running parallel to the west coast. They are also known as the Sahyadri. The western coastal plain lies between the Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. It can be divided into three parts: Konkan, Karnataka and Malabar coast. And the east coast is divided into Utkal in northern and Coromandel coast in south. Utkal known as a northern Sarkar. Exercises. First, fill in the blanks with the suitable words. The name India is derived from the river of Indus. The total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometers. The central part of the India, 23 degree 30 minutes, Tropic of Cancer, north latitude passes. Fourth, the coastline of the India with a major land mass is 6,100 kilometers. Fifth one, the Indian physiology has been divided into four major parts. Sixth, Greater Himalaya is also called Himadri. Seventh one, the highest mountain peak in the world is Mount Everest, 8848 meters. Eighth, North Indian plain is made up of alluvial soil. Ninth, the Western Ghats in Karnataka are also called Sahyadri. Roman question number 2. Answer the following questions in brief. 10th one, in which part of the Asian continent is India situated? Our answer is India is peninsula located in Southeast Asia. 11th one, in which hemisphere of the earth is India located? Our answer, India is located in the northern and eastern hemispheres of the earth. 12th one, which is the southern tip of the mainland of India? Our answer, the southern tip of the Indian mainland is Kanyakumari, also known as Cape Comorin. 13th, in which island is Indira Point located? Indira Point is located on Great Nicobar Island. 14th, what is the other name of the foothill of Himalayas? Our answer, the other name of the foothill of the Himalayas is Shivalik. It is also known as Outer Himalayas or Lower Himalayas. 15. Which is the recently formed land mass in India? Our answer is the Shivalik range. 16th. What are the advantages of Himalayas? Our answer, the Himalayas offer numerous advantages. Himalayas influenced on life of Indians, obstructing the cold winds from the Siberian regions, birthplace of many rivers, production of hydroelectricity, home of many types of plants and animals, treasure of minerals, tourism and religious centers. 17th. Explain the extent of peninsular plateau. Our answer, the peninsular plateau, a vast triangular landmass in India, stretches from the northern plains to the southern tip of the country. Its total area is around 16 lakh square kilometers. Western side Aravali to Kanyakumari, east Mahanadi to Nilagiri hills. 18th. Write about the Shivalik range? Our answer, recent formation. The Shivalik range is the youngest part of the Himalayas. Foothills, they are located at the foothills of the Himalayas. Dunes, these are narrow longitudinal valleys found between the Shivalik hills and the lesser Himalayas. Examples including Dehradun, Kota and Udhampur. The Shivalik hills range in latitude from approximately 6,000 to 500 meters. They are composed of unconsolidated sediments and gravel which are carried down by the Himalayan rivers. 19. The northern plains are called deposited plains. Why? Our answer, the northern plains are called deposited plains because they were formed by the accumulation of sediments, alluvium carried and deposited by the rivers of Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra along with their tributaries. These rivers eroded and transported materials from the Himalayas and other areas which were then deposited in the basin-like structure. Their breadth is around 2400 kilometers, whereas the width is 70 kilometers to 500 kilometers. This area has the least variation in height and completely flat. The entire plain is formed by the deposition of alluvial soil brought by the rivers which rises in the Himalayas. 20. Mention the difference between the western and eastern Ghats. First, eastern. The eastern Ghats run almost parallel to the east coast of India. They extended from the Mahanadi Valley in the north towards the Nilgiri hills in the south, where they join the western Ghats. They are lower than the western Ghats and are not continuous. The highest peak in the eastern Ghat is Amarakonda. Now, western Ghats. The western Ghats are the continuous range running parallel to the west coast from the Tapi Valley to Kanyakumari. They are also known as the Sahyadris. They are very steep on the western side and gentle on the eastern side. Borghat, Talghat, Palghat are important passes across the western Ghats. South of the Palghat gap, the western Ghats continue as a Annamalai. Annamalai in the Annamalai hill is the highest peak in South India, 2665 meters. Now we will take some multiple choice questions. First, what is the total area of India? Our options are here: 3287 crore square kilometer, 3287 lakh square kilometers, 28.72 lakhs square kilometer, 3.28 crore square kilometers. Our right option is here. Second one, B, 32 lakhs 87.87 square kilometers. Second one, the name of India is derived from which river? Our options are here: Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus and Yamuna. Our right option is here. The third one, C, Indus. Third, what is the southernmost point of the Indian territory? Options: Kanyakumari, Indira Kaul, Lakshadweep and Indira Point. Our right option is here. Final one, D, Indira Point. Fourth one, which longitude is used for Indian Standard Time, IST? Our options are here: 97 degree 25 minutes east, 68 degree 7 minute east, 82 degree 30 minutes east, 90 degree east. Our right option is here. Third one, C, 82 degree 30 minutes east. Fifth one, which state has Barhairisen as a summer capital? Our options are here: Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh. Our right option is here. Our options are here: Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Arunachal. Our right option is here. The third one, C, Uttarakhand. Sixth, what is the highest peak in India? Our options are here: Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, K2, Godwin Austen, and Nanda Devi. Option is here the third one, C, K2, Godwin Austen. Seventh one, the Radcliffe Line demarcates the boundary between India and which country? Our options are here: China, Nepal, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. Our right option is here the final one, last D, Pakistan is the right answer. Next, eighth, the Himalayan range extended from Hindu Kush to Bhutan, Pamir Node to Arunachal Pradesh, Ladakh to Mizoram, Sikkim to Nepal. Our right option is here the second one, D, Pamir Node to Arunachal Pradesh. Ninth one, the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meets at Vindhyachal Hills, Annamudai, Nilgiri Hills, and Satpura Range. Our right option is here the third one, C, Nilgiri Hills. 10th, what is the most recent range of the Himalayas? Options are Himadri, Himachal, Sivalik, Karakoram. Our right option is here third one, C, Sivalik. 11th one, which river's delta is not found on the east coast of India? Options are Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi, and Narmada. Our right option is here D, Narmada, because it flows towards west. 12th one, how many countries share the land borders with India? Options are 6, 5, 7, 8. Our right option is here C, third one, 7. 13, the Deccan Plateau is bounded by which mountain ranges? Options are here the Aravalli and Karakoram, Himalayas and Sivalik, Western and Eastern Ghats, Vindhya and Satpura. Our right option is here the third one, Western and Eastern Ghats. 14th, Chilka Lake is located in India's which Indian state? Our answers: Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu. Our right option is here the first one, Andhra Pradesh. 15th, the plains formed by alluvial soil from Himalayan rivers are called Bhangar, Khaddar, Babar, and Great Plains. Our right option is here the D, Great Plains or Northern Plains. 16, the mountains lying to the northwest to of the Himadri are called. Our options are here Himadri, Himachal, Sivalik Range, Trans Himalayas. Our right option is here the final one, D, Trans Himalayas. 17th, the northern Great Plains formed by the three rivers are Satluj, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Kusi, Rihand, Satluj, Chambal, Rabi, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari. Our right option is the first one, Satluj, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. 18th, the Lakshadweep Island are formed by, our options are here, volcanic rocks, corals, basalt rock, none of these. Our right option here, second one, corals. 19, the Sivalik hills are also known as, our options are Inner Himalayas, Outer Himalayas, Middle Himalayas, and Lesser Himalayas. Our right option is here, second one, B, Outer Himalayas. 20, the highest peak in South India is, options are Annamudai, Nilgiri, Guru Shikhara, and Aramakonda. Our right option is here the first one, Annamudai. 21, Lake of Kolluru belongs to, options are the Eastern Coastal Plain, the Eastern Ghats, the Western Ghats, and the Deccan Plateaus. Our right option is here the first one, the Eastern Coastal Plains.